Today we're featuring a 2014 Cadillac CTS. It's got 59,000 miles on it. It's majestic plum metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals in the mirror, the lock unlock button in the door handle there. Driver's side of the vehicle looks really good. It does have the rear park assist, rear backup camera. Passenger side looks good. The exterior of the CTS is in great condition. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, it's got the brown on brown door panels. Nice wood grain trim there. Memory seats, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Bose audio. It does have the tan leather seats, the power driver's seat. Passenger seat leather looks good. It does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. It is an automatic. It does have your air conditioned and heated seats, dual climate controls, lane mitigation. You'll have your backup camera and display right there. I'll show you that in a second. Push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 59,832 miles. Now that we got it started up here, go ahead and show your navigation. All right, go ahead and engage backup camera. All right, we'll get it back to your home screen. All right, there's all your different apps that you've got there. Go ahead and show you the steering wheel now that it's lit up. You got your steering wheel audio controls. You've also have Bluetooth, heated wheel, and collision alert. And it also is equipped with sunroof. And I'll go ahead and step out and show you that. And we'll take a look at the back seat. All right, there's your sunroof there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Here, let me slide this seat up a little bit. Alright, that'll give us a little extra room back here to see. Right, door panel looks good. Leather seats back here in good shape. Does have the center console that comes down. Little storage area there, and let's see, cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here looks good, and I'll kind of stand to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you get in the CTS. All right, ton of room back here. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. 18-inch polished aluminum. All right, brand new set of tires on here. All right, once again, it's a 2014 Cadillac CTS, 59,000 miles on it. All right, it's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. And thanks for watching the video.